Hey Peter, my name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to go over 3 things that you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this? And well, what's in it for me? The simple answer is that oftentimes in the world of the internet, most business owners are just too busy running their company to learn how the internet can benefit them. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone to help out is they don't know who an expert really is. I found that by giving people an easy free plan of things that they could do themselves to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey Craig, I like you, please help me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan that I give you today and do it all yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that'll set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I'm going to go over is content. So I took your website and I plugged it into a tool called SEO Quake, which you can get for free. And just kind of shows you a lot of things, but the main things we're going to look at here is the content quantity and quality. So as you can see here, your homepage 427, as you can see, this is your URL, 427 total words on your homepage. Now, Google releases it there for full optimization. Their algorithms actually look for about 1,500 words to be completely optimized. What that means is you want to get 1,500 words minimum on that content homepage. So just adding about a little over 1,000 more words is just one area. But the reason this is so important is because it allows you to put more keywords. So when someone types things in Google, for example, I typed in Fence Company Charleston, and the #1 organic listing is this Carolina Fence Company. So if we click them and I take their URL and I plug them in SEO Quake, we can see that they have only 900 words. So they're also shy. But also you can look at some of these keywords. They have fence, free quote. Some of them they probably have, they're having a little issues with actually some of the things that are populating. So this is just one way that you're going to be able to dominate your competition because they're not doing a great job of it. So by getting that 1,500 words and targeting keywords such as fence, company, Charleston, you have it, but see, you only have Charleston 3 times, fence 5 times. The more words, the better chance you have of being found. Now the second thing I want to talk about is citation. So looking back at this Google search, we can see the first thing is the Google Map Pack. Now the way to get in the top of this is simply citations. What is a citation, you might ask? Well, citation, simply put, is your NAPs, your name, address, and phone number. And those are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, CityStar, Yelp, so on and so forth. And the reason this is important is this is what's going to drive you up in this. Now I clicked at the Charleston Fence LLC, we can see right here, and we can see that I ran them in a white spark, and they only have 16 citation sources. That is so few that just by adding them, I always suggest to my clients to have about 200, so you will dominate the competition and they'll never get anywhere near the top. So by the end of it, you would be at the top of the map pack and the organic. Now the third thing I'm going to talk about is the most important at getting this #1 ranking on Google. That's going to be backlinks. So as we can see, we're looking at Carolina Fence Company, your top competitor. They have 353 backlinks with 67 referring domains and driving in 384 clicks a month. Now that's very important because backlinks, what they basically are, is a link pointing to your website giving you power. Simply put, Site A points to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's practically a popularity contest. But there's so much more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a blog about fencing in Charleston linking to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking to you, because you're not slinging pizzas for a living. We can look at yours here, and we can see you only have 34 backlinks with 12 referring domains and 92 organic traffic, which is down from last month by 38 clicks. And I can see you had 380 at all time. So what this basically is telling me is if someone was doing your SEO at one point, they've really let it go and they are no longer building your links but letting them fall off, which will really harm your ranking in Google. Now in conclusion, we talked about 3 things. We talked about content quantity and how you want to have 1,500 words, but also focusing on that keyword quality. Secondly, we discussed citations and how you want to have 200 to 300 of those to just dominate your competition by a landslide. Lastly, we discussed link building and link juice and how you need more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google that you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you can easily be #1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, you can either go with the information I provided you today and start doing it on your own, which I'm totally cool with. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing back from you. Have a great day.